Hello, Bulldogs! Today we're going to read a non-fiction story called Yoshi and the Ocean, a sea turtle's incredible journey home. Remember, non-fiction means that it's a true story. This is by Lindsay Moore. Before she had a name, she was an egg, or she was within an egg, flippers folded around her yolk, until the size of her small world and the voice of the waves made her restless. They drew her out of her egg, down the slope of a moonlit beach, and into the surf. This is Yoshi, small and broken, found by fishermen in the waves. They give her a place to rest. They give her fish to eat from their nets, and a name, Yoshitaro. This is Yoshi, little patient. She's the first turtle the aquarium in Cape Town has cared for. They see the dent in her side. They see the size of her spirit and appetite. They give her a home and time to heal. They learn how to feed her and keep all their fingers. She learns not to bite them when she wants a snack. They learn how to read Yoshi's behavior. She learns how to ask for a scratch on the back. Yoshi swims circles with silvery fish and smooth stingrays. She stops to watch the crowds who watch with wonder. Years begin and end and start again. Visitors come and discover and go. Yoshi swims at the aquarium and eats and grows. This is Yoshi, queen of the exhibit. On the outside, she looks the same. Inside, though, something has changed. Now the walls of her world make her restless. She's from away from here, and that is where she needs to go. Those who care for her understand. She's healthy now. She should be in the ocean. But they worry. She's lived at the aquarium for 20 years. Will she remember how to find food? What about tiger sharks and ship strikes? What about floating plastic and fishing snares? They're not sure where she is from, but they think it is where she will go. They prepare her for a long journey. She swims laps and eats more. She is training to go home. This is Yoshi, much-loved turtle. Scientists glue a tracking tag to her shell. When the weather is calm and welcoming, they take her out to deep water. 3, 2, 1, go Yoshi! This is Yoshi, wild turtle. She's remembering what the ocean is like, the shape of a wave, the shift of the wind, the push of a current, and the sky. Each time Yoshi stops at the surface for a breath of air, a signal is sent out, strong and clear to satellites crisscrossing the exosphere. Hello from Yoshi. I am here. This is Yoshi, ocean wanderer. She loops through plankton blooms that form like clouds near the sunlit surface. Miles of wispy gardens feed crowds of fish and floating sea creatures. A plankton bloom attracts a feast for pilchards and penguins, and Yoshi. This is Yoshi, clever turtle. On a single breath of air, she dives down below the blooms, through scales and shells and fish guts that fall like snow on the oozing seabed. Where the sun is not as strong, she finds food for her journey. Snails and clams, shrimp and crabs, all make a delicious crunch. This is Yoshi, intrepid turtle. She winds her way northward against warm currents, against expectations. Where is she going? They wonder in Cape Town. She swims north, along the underwater edge of the African continent, sometimes right on the slope, where the seafloor drops away into darkness, the beginning of the abyss. She swims in the space between two worlds, the deep sea and the coastal sea. Where the world's meat and water mixes, food is plentiful, and so are fishing vessels. She swims through busy fishing grounds where silent lines hang easy snacks from deadly hooks. Those who love her hold their breath. Hello from Yoshi. I am here. This is Yoshi, ocean turtle. She crosses into the abyss to swim among seamounts that rise miles high off the ocean floor. Rowdy currents roll up the steep sides. There is plenty of food for Yoshi to find to fuel her on her journey. She feasts for a while, then turns south, and everyone wonders where she is going. This is Yoshi, homeward bound turtle. She is rounding the cape where two oceans meet, where currents collide, where waves are known to rise to like cliffs and swallow ships. She swims east, and everyone wonders where she is going. Hello from Yoshi. I am here. This is Yoshi, high seas turtle. She swims along the underwater mountain ridges that stretch like a seam across the ocean floor, so deep she cannot even reach their peaks. There is less for her to stop and eat here, but where warm water runs alongside cold, food can be found. Yoshi is not picky. Her journey is wide like the wild. It curves over the surface of the earth, eastward, eastward, across a deep ocean basin for weeks. For months. For a year. Hello from Yoshi. I am here. This is Yoshi, determined turtle. Now the seafloor slopes upward. She crosses over a ledge where the deep sea ends and Australia begins. She leaves the abyss behind, and the world wonders, where is she going? She is going to where she belongs. This is Yoshi, wild at heart. She's left a life with walls and windows and survived in untamed spaces. She's crossed a wide ocean to feed with other loggerheads in quiet places, among mudflats, fields of seagrass, and towering coral domes. Hello from Yoshi. I am home. And that's the end. And it shows where Yoshi traveled all along here. What an incredible turtle. I hope you enjoyed the read aloud today.